90% of the time.
90% of the time, you know, these DIY guys, they'll do this stuff at their house, kind of like me, and they'll rebuild the top end of the engine, put new pistons and all, you know, rings and everything, and they'll get their bike back together, and it'll still be making all kind of noise. It won't be smoking, but it'll be making all kind of racket. Well, 90% of the time, this is the problem. Your oil pump chain is really loose and slapping the block. If you look here, see if you can get your camera right there. See that right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's where that chain was rubbing the case of the engine. And then over here, the timing chain is doing the same thing, rubbing the case of the engine. The tensioner is all the way, it's maxed out, and the timing chain is slapping the case. So that's your noise. So you get that changed and it ain't gonna be making all that racket no more. So my advice is when you do your top end and it's making racket, check up here and fix your chains, and that's gonna fix all your racket in your motor, your noise in your motor.